Hey everyone, today I'm here to show you our Deluxe Paper Slider Box. Hey everyone, this is our Deluxe Paper Slider Box, an example of some ultra premium pre-roll packaging that we can create. This has a nice gloss coating, but of course it can be done in matte or craft paper, gold foiling, spot UV, all those premium print options are definitely available. When you open it up, there's a slot for a custom matchbox, or you could put maybe glass filter tips, hemp wick in here, and then a slot for your pre-rolls. With a nice flap, you could put custom branding on the top of here, custom branding on all the sides of the packaging. Even inside against these inner walls, you could have some custom branding, maybe a special message here when customers remove your matchbox. If you have any questions or you want some custom sizes here, if you're doing half grams, you want 7 pre-rolls, just visit us, reach out at www.customconesusa.com.
Hey, thanks for watching our new video. Check out the other videos on this page. Comment below with any questions and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all our new products. We at Custom Cones USA are your pre-roll experts.